Welcome back to PC Error Detective, and in today's video I'll show you how to send code in Discord. You can easily share snippets with friends, classmates, or teammates. Let's walk through the steps in a simple and clear way. For step 1, open Discord and go to the chat or server where you want to send your code. This sets up the space where your message will appear. For step 2, use Backticks to format your code. A single backtick is used for short inline code, while triple backticks are used for longer multi-line code blocks. For step 3, type your code between the backticks. For example, typing print hello world will show up as inline code, while using triple backticks will create a separate block. For step 4, add a language name after the opening triple backticks to enable syntax highlighting. For example, Python will highlight Python code, making it easier to read. For step 5, press enter to send your message. Your code will now appear neatly formatted in the chat, ready for others to copy or review. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.